Okay, so it says 12 volts. Kind of hard to read with the video. Our voltage, I turn it down. Trying to go to 4.2. Just that tiny bit. It's 1.2. Try to crank it just a tiny bit at a time. A little bit. And straight to 12. Go back. Try to go back down. It drops again. You see your lights coming on. 1.2 volts. So try to go back up. Just a tiny bit. Just a hair. 3 up. It's not working. Okay. Up. Nope. Nope. And straight to 12.1. So, but if I push, this rocks. Has something going on here with this light as well. And if I push over here on the board, something over here seems like it's not quite right. I can't tell what it is. If I push on the left, it doesn't really do the same thing. Or on the module, our button. Okay. So, but over here, if I push, something is either loose or it's changing the way the electricity flows. I don't know if it's actually the potentiometer or not, because as much as it is rocky, it's not rocky enough in any position to do this.